Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mostly sunny, hot, and humid conditions across the area this morning, seeing heat indices already over 100 degrees. We do have a heat advisory out today from now through 1700 local or 5 p.m. Going to see a slight chance of a pop-up thunderstorm, mainly just off to our north, but within 10 nautical miles this afternoon, and running about a 20% chance of lightning within 10 nautical miles this afternoon from that chance of a pop-up thunderstorm. Otherwise, we'll just see those hot and humid conditions continuing for today and tomorrow, and we'll see a cold front approach for the weekend, giving us continued hot and humid conditions. That cold front is not going to move through until Sunday evening, but better chances of showers and thunderstorms for the weekend. Our sounding from this morning was a freezing level at 13,800 feet. We had winds very light throughout the column, seeing variable winds in general around 5 to 10 knots in low levels, then seeing those winds become more northwesterly and only peaking up to 17 knots at 20,000 feet out of the northwest to the first 25,000 feet this morning. Our current surface analysis, we do have an area high pressure off the coast, another area high pressure over the region as built in from the southeast states, really pumping in that warm and humid air mass across the region. We'll have a cold front that's currently across the Midwest moving through and towards the region for this weekend. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have mostly clear skies across the region this morning, a little bit of patchy fog off to our north and to our east over the water, seeing a little bit of cirrus cloudiness off to our south, or some fair weather cumulus clouds as well. Overall today, going to see in general mostly sunny skies, and we'll see a chance of a pop-up shower, thunderstorm, and here is going to show the placement of that most likely today. Wallops is here and just off to our north, showing a pop-up shower thunderstorm around 1 to 2 o'clock this afternoon, and possibly getting close to that 10 nautical miles around Wallops for this afternoon. Otherwise, just going to see mostly sunny skies, hot and humid conditions, more cirrus cloudiness building overnight. And then for Friday, we're going to see, in general, partly to mostly cloudy skies, a good amount of cirrus cloudiness, so some filtered sunshine, hot and humid conditions once again, chance of showers and thunderstorms a bit higher for Friday evening into early overnight Saturday. Taking a look at the European model the next few days here. Excuse me, we're going to have that high pressure off the coast today, and then continuing tomorrow, we'll have European continue to show a better chance of some pop-up thunderstorms tomorrow in general across the area. And then for the evening hours, we'll see a line of thunderstorms to try to approach the region. Right now, it looks like those thunderstorms have a decent chance of making it towards the area during the late evening hours of Friday and Saturday. And then for Saturday, we'll have a boundary kind of situated across the region. That's going to give us a good chance of showers and thunderstorms for Saturday evening as well as for Sunday. And then looks like we'll dry out for Monday and a Tuesday of next week. Right now, that tropical disturbance that is moving towards the eastern Gulf of Mexico or the east side of Florida, it's going to be kind of meandering across that area for early next week. As it appears now, models have trended in a better agreement of moving into the eastern Gulf of Mexico for early next week. And after that point, not really much agreement whatsoever in the models of where this system goes or how much it develops. So right now it looks like it could be kind of stalled out in the northeastern Gulf for early next week. And then after that point, could be sending up some moisture in our region for the middle of next week with some more hot and humid conditions expected. So right now, not really looking like much in the way of agreement in the models other than that wave moving towards the eastern Gulf of Mexico at this time for early next week. And then looking at our risk chart for today, looking at a high today around 93, low tonight of 76. Westerly, southwesterly winds this morning becoming southerly at 8 to 13 knots, and then light winds overnight out of the southwest. Well, a slight chance of patchy fog overnight as we did last night. I've seen that chance of a thunderstorm within 10 nautical miles for this afternoon, and in general, you're going to see that just around 10 nautical miles, it looks like, off to our north. So could be seeing a lightning strike within that 10 nautical miles, and highlighted this for about 20% chance of that occurring. Our heat index values are over 100. Will continue for this afternoon into the evening hours before we see those temperatures fall back with that sea breeze moving on shore for later on this afternoon. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, we'll see VFR conditions the next 24 hours. We'll have that chance of a shower or thunderstorm, and with that, if it does go overhead, we'll have reduced visibilities as well as lower ceilings. But overall, in general, we're just going to see VFR conditions the next 24 hours. By tomorrow morning, we'll see a good amount of filtered sunshine across the region with a ceiling around 25,000 feet with the cirrus clouds. Our tides are running normal, and looking Friday and Saturday. Friday, partly cloudy, hot and humid, chance of shower or thunderstorm. Slightly breezier in the afternoon, heat index values between 100 and 105 degrees once again, and a high of 91 degrees. Friday night, partly to mostly cloudy, good chance of showers and thunderstorms by late evening, low of 75. And for Saturday, partly cloudy, hot and humid, a chance of showers and thunderstorms, heat index values near 100 degrees once again, with a high of 89 degrees. Best chance of rainfall comes during that late evening time period here on Friday into Saturday morning, and then we see our chances increase once again for Saturday afternoon as that boundary sags towards the region, giving us a bit better forcing across the area. We'll see some slightly breezy conditions for both Friday and Saturday afternoon. And for, in general, Friday, just going to have a chance of some pop-up showers and thunderstorms during the afternoon with that heat and humidity across the region. So next 7 days, we'll have that chance of shower or thunderstorm today. The precipitation chances around 15%. As I mentioned, I did highlight that yellow for our lightning within 10. Looking at our Friday, 30% chance during the afternoon, 60% chance during the evening with that line of showers, thunderstorms possibly moving through the region. Saturday, we'll have about a 40-50% chance of a shower, thunderstorm. And then Sunday, looking like right now with that cold front moving through, probably our best chance of showers, thunderstorms with a 60% chance of rainfall and thunderstorms. And then we'll see our temperatures start to fall slightly after Monday as cold front moves through. It looks like through the region on Tuesday, more clouds, high of 86, and for Wednesday, high of 85. But overall, going to continue to see those hot and humid conditions for today and tomorrow with that heat and humidity lingering for the weekend. Sunday right now looks like more cloud cover, so we should see temperatures only capping in the upper 80s. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Hope everybody has a great day today. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 and 10 a.m.